Alrighty, Mopar fans, you're looking at the 446 pack M code Superbee. Engine and trans are in. Trans lines are in. Exhaust is in. We're going to detail and paint the drive shaft, then that'll go in. And it won't be long till all the lines are hooked up, fuel lines, and we'll be starting this puppy up. We got the correct concourse correct Q clamps for the tips, and then we have saddle clamps here. Was this Accurate Exhaust or ECS, Lee? California? Okay, yeah, it was one of the concourse exhaust people. So, yes, Matt and Lakeland turned us on to it. That's right. He knew which one to go to. And yeah, everything's bolting up and looks pretty. And after putting this exhaust on, I'm exhausted. And there you have it, Mopar fans. A beautiful thing, don't you know?